To turn on flashlight at a specific time in Samsung Galaxy S20, open settings, swipe up or down home screen to access the app screen, and then tap settings. You can also open settings screen from notification panel. Swipe down notification panel and then tap settings icon. Scroll down settings screen, find advanced features. Tap advanced features. Turn on fixed view routines. Tap fixed view routine switch until blue to turn on, or if fixed view routine is off, tap switch until blue to turn on. Then tap fixed view routines. Tap fixed view routines plus icon. If select what will trigger this routine, tap plus icon again, and then select time. Enter your start time and end time you want. For example, I want to start in 2 o'clock and end time in 10 o'clock. Uh, 7 o'clock, and then select repeat time you want. For example, I want to repeat in Friday and Monday, and then tap done. Tap next, then select what this routine will do. Tap plus icon, enter action screen, find flashlight, turn on flashlight, and then tap turn on flashlight. Tap done, and then enter routine name you want. For example, turn on flashlight. And then tap done. Turn on flashlight 7. And then if time is 2 until 7 o'clock, then flashlight will be turned on. You can enable or disable running notification. To enable running notification, tap switch until blue, or to disable, tap switch until white. If you enable running notification, system will be show enable notification whenever this routine is running. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.